There is a version of you that is not wounded, not searching, not separate. A version of you that remembers. What if Christ consciousness was never something outside of you, but something waiting to awaken within you? Today, we're not here to worship from a distance. We are here to remember who we are. Poem activation. The Christ within me speaks. I am not the story they told me to be. I am not the suffering I learned to carry. There is a light in me, unchained by fear, untouched by illusion, unbroken by time. It whispers through my breath, I am here. Not above me, not beyond me, but as me. I am the hands that heal. I am the heart that forgives. I am the presence that sees truth in all things. I do not seek the Christ. I remember. I am the doorway. I am the resurrection. I am the living light within form. Invocation. Activating Christ consciousness. I call forward the highest truth of my being. I call forward the divine intelligence that lives within my heart. Let the illusion of separation dissolve now. Let the walls of fear fall away. I open myself to the frequency of Christ consciousness. Pure love, pure compassion, pure unity. May I see through the eyes of truth. May I feel through the heart of grace. May I walk as a vessel of divine remembrance. I am no longer asleep to my divinity. I am no longer disconnected from my source. I am the light remembering itself. Christ consciousness is not about religion. It's not about a figure outside of you that you must reach. It is a state of awareness, a frequency where love replaces judgment, unity replaces separation, compassion replaces fear. It's the realization that you are no longer a human having a spiritual experience. You are consciousness itself expressing through form. When Jesus spoke of the kingdom of God is within you, this is what he meant. Christ consciousness is the ability to see yourself and others without distortion. The willingness to forgive beyond the ego. The embodiment of unconditional love. But let's be clear. This isn't passive. This requires you to release identity attachments. Let go of victim consciousness. Stop outsourcing your power. Because stepping into Christ consciousness means responsibility. You become the one who chooses love, even when it's hard. Meditation. Embodying the Christ within. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and release. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a soft, radiant light glowing there. With each breath, the light expands. Feel it moving through your chest, your body, your entire being. Now, silently repeat, I am the light within. I am the love in form. I am one with all that is. See this light extending beyond your body, touching others, connecting everything. No separation, no division, just presence. Rest here, my love. Affirmations. Christ consciousness activation. Repeat out loud or internally. I am the embodiment of divine love. I release all illusions of separation. I see myself and others through the eyes of truth. I forgive, not because I have to, but because I am free. I am connected to all that is. I walk in compassion, even when it challenges me. I trust the divine intelligence within me. I am the light I have been seeking. Christ consciousness is not something you achieve once and hold forever. It's a choice, moment by moment. Each time you choose love over fear, presence over reaction, truth over illusion, you awaken it. Not perfectly, but intentionally. And the more you choose it, the more you become it. You are never separate from the light. You just forgot. And now you are remembering.